Hello everybody, welcome to SEO review channels. Economics. Economic is flash law again crystal access to COLLATERAL. And now each ICO purchase is live. And one CNC token is 0.005 Ethereum now. It is 21 cents up. CNC is cash Visa and MetaCash and cryptocurrency payments. State 1 is sold out, state second sold out and it raises $47 million and the hash cap is $106 million. Its crowd sale end in the 1st of November 2018 and you can click here to buy tokens. Okay. How economics does that work? As economics ecosystems, so investor, ICOs, crypto exchange, economic use, institutional investor, and each one research firm and development firms, cold storage is highlighted. Ratings. ISO rating is economics your high rates in ISO band 4.7 out of 5 and ISO 4.8 out of 5 and ISO mark is 9 out of 10. Okay, your end organization process. Extreme project is not scammer because each project has a legal in other countries. External organizations EVRO 18 reserved as exchange virtual currency again fast currencies. Application FRK provides a virtual currency wallet service as legal memorandums, legal opinions in European Union and legal opinions in Estonia, in Kazakhstan and Vietnam, in Korea and registration are trademark. International expansions in community member is 100,000 plus member and the business use 25,000 and for office in Italy, Estonia, and St. Petersburg, Russia, and South Korea, and in the London, United Kingdoms. Its process is Rosanians in Russia, in South Korea, in Hong Kong, in United Kingdom, in Turkey, in Kazakhstan, in Vietnam, in Ukraine. It's process in the updates, and now its update is Ukraine, India, Singapore, Indonesia, in Cambodia, and Malaysia, and Thailand, and Belarus. Plus media mentors in the center in Forbes. Okay, economic morals. What is reason for taking instructions? CNC token is payment to use to pay commission for a large contract transactions. All tokens that has not been sold during actual attributed choice. All platform commission are these indicates in USD but escapes are laser from tokens. Also get on accepted as a commission payment blocks for a period of 5 years, and the platform gets rights to sell each token in accordance with people's FISO principle. Only after the price of the blocking is first work as limiting factor for token exchange influence. The token lies circle models provide a quick resolution of token amounts in the market. For token amounts never goes to zeros. As a reduction of token amount leads to growth and token value whereas token divisibility allows payment with ease hundreds to 1,000 paths. Okay, criteria token in circulation is down and token price is growth ups. Why is eCoinomic Username product of the highest demands? Get the money, keep your investment. The total volume of cryptocurrency market is as well as $300 billion. Okay. Smart contract rules. As far as funding the launch arguments, intermarket price is 100% price. Monitor current rate of servers exchange. Each client's current rate the crypto collateral decreased by more than 40% in internal market price. The system sent less to the client magical happens then the market price adjusts collaterals decrease to the point and then become equal to the valuation price of the collaterals in 10%. Its roadmaps. And now Israel project in the 2018. And now is quarter 3rd of 2018. Obtaining a licenses developing solution of different token share fees and partnership with top global payments then. Saying the letter intent with financial institution and family office. In question 4, we should can't use economic payment as with open API launch and for loan as November for early adoption December public. English for 2019. The first public information of the project and early stage development of the platforms. In quarter second, first project launch in Russia Federation. Chicken share is resale state and international platform Basmas. Okay. Its document is white paper and technical paper and reason and chicken share systems. It's a team. Alexei Sumolanovs is CEO and co-founder, America Coast Asia International Communication Lead, and Machine Lucy CEO and co-founder. Mission Tomokin in Aro's Business Development Director. Okay. A visual is backbone skill, showing Korea CEO Summit, CEO World Blockchain Summit Mobile. It can show a visual on venture investment, foreign blocks, blockchain business, a visual influencer. Stewart investor relation, a visual. Okay. It's partner in on venture partner and a legal and cyber group and SIIS and some substance. Okay, and now you can join each project and Bright ICO as Bright. And now, in current price is 1 CNC as 21 cents, and its reaches $47 million, and the hash cap is $106 million. Okay, as you last.